Hey guys, a very good morning, and being an Ielts trainer, I would like to give you some pieces of advice about Ielts. This time I'm here in a beautiful park and it's raining, the weather is awesome and I'm enjoying. The thing is this, that healthy body has the healthy mind. So being an IELTS trainer, in order to deliver something healthy, in order to make healthy videos, good videos, accurate videos for IELTS, it is very important for me to be healthy. And in order to be healthy, I have to connect myself to nature. Like, it's raining, it's actually drizzling and I'm enjoying here. So the same thing for you guys, you should entertain yourselves. You should learn to entertain yourselves because it is very important. If physically you are healthy, you are going to be healthy mentally, and if you are mentally healthy, definitely you are going to be more intelligent. If you study, if you practice IELTS, definitely you're going to achieve your goals. I've noticed one thing, there are some students who often complain that they feel lethargic, they feel low, at times they feel lazy, and some of my students got the lower band in IELTS just because on the day of exam they had traveled and they were feeling sleepy and they were not in their good moods and all these things. So moods and emotions, they are important, and in order to study in a healthy way, you have to do certain things which are healthy. Although it is not related to IELTS, but it's going to support your IELTS studies quite a lot. Now I'm feeling so good. By chance, I'm not an early riser by the way, by chance today I woke up at 4:30 a.m. and the first thing I did after offering the prayer, that I decided to come here along with my camera, and I showed you some videos which I made over here as well. So guys, you need to be healthy in order to achieve your goals, because health is most important, and do something that actually entertains you. There should be some sort of entertainment in life, and that entertainment should be like physical entertainment too, where you are actually doing some exercise, you are playing some games and all that. Now I can show you, there are some youngsters here. I'm youngster as well. They are playing football and it is raining, but still they are playing football, and you can see that. See that? Now these young people are the ones who are very healthy, whether they are doing any job or they are studying and all that. So the way you start your day, the first 1 hour of your day determines the rest of 12 hours or 14 hours if you sleep for 8 to 10 hours. So try to start with something healthy, with something really good, and I truly wish you all the best guys. I'm enjoying this weather. It's awesome in here. This is Lahore, Punjab, Pakistan, and you must be having the rain on the same day as well, and you'll be enjoying as well. Well, the rain is very fast and we bought the bike and we're going to have the adventure on bike. That's the bike, and there I am. Good. They say adventure is out there. And all this greenery is just because of my brother, because he likes greenery. That's how we enter. And again you can see the horticulture of my house. In rain, it's truly awesome. Let's just go inside. Here we are. It's beautiful. It's pretty romantic at this time in here. See that? My brother, he wants to see greenery all around the house. I mean, For him, it is possible he will grow a plant on my head also, okay? Because he wants greenery everywhere. So guys, this was a little morning adventure which I showed you. I hope you would have liked my adventure. But remember, sound body has sound mind. If you want to be healthy, you have to have healthy mind, and healthy mind is going to lead you towards healthy mind is going to lead you. You should have the okay. It is said a sound body has a sound mind. So if you are healthy physically, you are going to be healthy mentally, and that mental health is going to help you achieve your target band score. That's all. I enjoyed the rain shower, and you should enjoy it. Now I'm gonna have my lovely breakfast. This morning I'm gonna eat special Punjabi breakfast, that is parathas with lassi. I'll show you that as well. See ya.